Start with a very light, loose oval shape for the main body of the mango, slightly tilted on its side. Place a simple teardrop outline above the top curve to map the leaf position, marking the short stem with a faint curve. Keep these foundation lines faint so they are easy to refine. Refine the irregular contours of the fruit and define the outline of the leaf. Identify a clean front left light source. Start hatching with an HB pencil on the shaded, right and bottom, side using fine, curved strokes that follow the form of the fruit. Preserve a prominent highlight area on the top left untouched. Maintain a clean, crisp area of paper for a distinct highlight. This is crucial for creating a shiny, waxy skin texture. Switch to a softer pencil, e.g., 2B or 4B, to deepen the values. Gradually build darker tones using layered hatching, concentrating shadows on the far right in the base. This established volume. Apply lighter, even hatching to the leaf, carefully drawing the detailed network of veins to match the reference. Add realistic texture to the stem. Draw a soft, diffuse ground shadow directly beneath the mango to give it weight and place it in a physical space. Re-examine all contrasts and gradients for a realistic finish. Practicing smooth blending will help perfect the texture.